Hey everybody, it's Tim from the Tupperware Boys, and today I am going to show you how to make a really quick and easy dinner for two people. So we are going to be using the stack cooker today. We're going to be using the 3-quart base and the 2-quart middle and the lid. We are going to make rice in the bottom level. We're going to cook chicken in the middle and then put in some cream of chicken soup to make the sauce. Let me show you how quick and easy this is. First, we're going to take one large chicken breast or maybe 2 small chicken breasts and cut them into bite-sized pieces. Then we're going to take the 3-quart base and we're going to add 1 cup of rice. Then we're going to add 1 cup of water plus a little bit extra, maybe 1/4 cup extra. Then we're going to put our 2-quart base back on and we're going to add in our diced up chicken. Then we add in 1 can of cream of chicken soup, or you can also use cream of mushroom soup, either one. Then give that a good stir. No need to add any extra water. Once the chicken starts cooking, all of the juices are going to come out anyway, so it will all mix together nice. Then we're going to put the lid back on the top and put it in the microwave for 15 to 20 minutes. If you cook it at 15 and you notice that it might be a little bit runny, it might need a little bit more cooking, you can put it in for 5 more minutes, or once you find the right time, then you have it for the future. All right, now I'm going to stir this up a little bit. And look at this rice, it cooked perfectly. It looks really smooth right now, but I'm just going to take this spatula and mix that up so that you can see what it looks like, nice and fluffy. There's no extra water in the bottom. It has all absorbed into the rice. Now time for some plating. I'm going to take a big portion of the rice and put it on one plate and then the rest of it on the other plate, since I'm serving for 2 people. I've let the chicken and the soup sit for a little bit so that it will solidify a little bit more, since it had a little bit too much juice in there. But I stirred that up and put that right over the top, and look at that. So juicy, so delicious, and only in about 20 minutes total, ready for you. All right, that is all we have for today, and I hope you liked our quick and easy meal for this evening. So go ahead and hit the subscribe, the like, and share this video so that you can be aware of when our next video is going to post. All right, thank you so much, and I will see you next time.